Do you feel like every print-on-demand tutorial is just way too much? Like, here's 47 steps and a deep dive into supply chain logistics. Who has time for that? If you're a student, side hustler, or just someone who wants to make money online without drowning in inventory, print-on-demand is a game changer. Plus, it's low-key a way to start a business with very little money. I'm Kylie, and in this video, I'm cutting through the noise to give you a simple step-by-step guide to launching your POD business with a strategy that is guaranteed to save you time. Let's start from the very beginning, shall we? For those who don't know, print on demand means you only make a product after someone buys it, which also means no bulk orders, no guessing what sizes to stock, and no piles of unsold hoodies in your living room. You create a design, upload it to your store, and when someone places an order, a third-party supplier prints it, ships it, and boom, you get paid. Sounds easy, right? It is. And the best part, you can literally run this entire business from anywhere. Picture this, you're sipping on a frozen margarita on the beach while your store is making sales. Okay, realistically, you're probably just wearing sweatpants on the couch, but seriously, the flexibility is real. And I'm not just talking about t-shirts. You can sell mugs, posters, tote bags, pillows, maybe even sneakers. All right, so let's talk about why print on demand is such a huge opportunity right now. According to research, the global print on demand market is already worth $6 billion, and it's expected to hit over $40 billion by 2031. That's not just growth, that's like rocket-fueled growth. And here's the kicker. You don't need to be a big brand to cash in. Regular people are making serious money with print on demand. Take Printful. This company started as a business called Startup Vitamins, selling motivational posters online. But after its founder struggled to find a reliable POD service for his store, he decided to create a platform that could provide high quality and efficient print on demand services for other entrepreneurs. Hence, Printful was born as a solution to the challenges he was facing with Startup Vitamins, and now it is considered one of the best global POD services on the market. If you're curious about the best print-on-demand companies to work with, check out this Shopify guide, which I've linked down below. So now that I think I've got your attention, let's discuss the 5 essentials to get started, because trust me, you don't need a fancy setup, you just need the right strategy. Your starter pack includes, number 1, a winning product, because not all POD products are created equal. Some have way better profit margins, while others might not be worth the hassle. More on that later in this video. Number 2, a great design. Because a plain white t-shirt is super boring, but a t-shirt with a design that makes people laugh? Now we're talking. Number 3, a place to sell, like Shopify. A Shopify store is the best long-term move because you control the branding, pricing, and experience. Number 4, a great supplier. This is a big one. Your supplier handles printing and shipping, so if they mess up, your customers are the ones who get mad. And finally, number 5, paying customers, because a great store means nothing if no one sees it. At this point, you might be thinking, wait, that's it? Yep. No secret handshake, no blood oath, just these 5 things. Get them right and you're already ahead of most beginners. But let's dive even deeper. How to find a winning product. As I mentioned, not all POD products are worth your time. Some are low profit, oversaturated, or just meh. But when you pick the right product with a smart design, that's where the money is. Here's the formula. Solid product category plus a great design equals a winning product. You need both to succeed. A great design on a terrible product won't sell, and a bad design on a great product is also a fail. So, how do you pick the right product category? Start small with one product type. Don't attempt to sell 20 different things at once. Master one, then expand. Stick to products people already buy. If no one is searching for it, you'll have a hard time making sales. And keep it simple. If you offer over 7 variations of one item, customers can get overwhelmed. So, what actually sells? Well, wall art and clothing are actually top tier for profit margins. Posters, canvas prints, and t-shirts all have solid markups. Niche accessories like phone cases and tote bags are also great. Let's talk about how to pick the right niche, because even the best product won't sell if you're targeting the wrong people. Here's the deal. People don't just buy products, they buy products that reflect their identity. A plain tote bag? Meh. But a tote bag with a funny inside joke for nurses? Sold out. In order to pick a profitable niche, attach customer interests to items. Think hobbies, professions, fandoms, or social trends. Dog lovers, me. Gym rats, also me. Book talkers, again, me. There is a niche for everything. Check for trademark issues. Obviously, don't just slap a Star Wars logo on a t-shirt, unless you want Disney's lawyers knocking down your door. However, Mickey Mouse is fair game. Use the United States Patent and Trademark Office database to make sure your designs are safe. Don't reinvent the wheel. You don't need a totally original idea. Look at what's already making a killing by analyzing bestsellers on platforms like Etsy and Amazon, or search trends on Pinterest. Then find your angle, whether it's a new slogan, a unique twist, or an underserved audience. A strong niche means easier marketing and more repeat customers. And once you've found your niche, you'll be ready to start creating designs. The good news? You don't need to be a graphic designer to crush it in the print-on-demand market. You've got 4 solid options for creating designs. Number 1, buy ready-made designs. Sites like Creative Market and Vexels sell design packs so you can grab high-quality art without starting from scratch. Number 2, use AI tools. AI-generated art is huge right now. With tools like Midjourney, for $10 a month, you can generate completely unique designs. All you have to do is type in a prompt and let AI do its thing. If you need help learning how to prompt AI, check out this video right here, which is your beginner's guide. And your third option, hire a pro. If you want something fully custom, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with real designers who can bring your vision to life. So, no excuses, because there is a design method for every budget and skill level. Your next step, setting up your Shopify store. If you haven't had a chance to lock this in yet, what are you waiting for? If you're serious about building a brand, having your own Shopify store gives you control, flexibility, and higher profit margins. And lucky for you, I've dropped a link down below for a free trial so you can literally start today with 0 risk. Now, back to building your store, because let's be real, you don't want to rely on someone else's platform forever. Why use Shopify? The biggest reason, you own your own brand. No random rule changes or surprise fees. You control the shopping experience. Custom branding, product pages, and checkout flow, all yours. It's built for e-commerce. Shopify integrates seamlessly with all major print-on-demand suppliers, which we'll cover next. But in the meantime, setting up your Shopify store is super easy. Just pick a theme, add your products, set up payments, and boom, you're live. If you want a full step-by-step walkthrough of literally everything you need to know about setting up, maintaining, and growing your Shopify store, we've got the ultimate guide linked down below, and I highly recommend watching it after this. Okay, so now let's talk about choosing the right print-on-demand supplier. This part is crucial. Your print-on-demand supplier is the one actually printing, packing, and shipping your products. So if they mess up, guess who gets the angry customer emails? Not them, you. You need a supplier that's reliable, high quality, and fast. Here's a breakdown of the top POD platforms and what they're best known for. Printful. I mentioned them earlier, but they are known for high quality prints, excellent customer service, a broad product range, and branding options. If you want premium products and a great customer experience, Printful is one of the best. Printify has a massive product catalog, flexible pricing, and multiple print providers to choose from. It integrates seamlessly with Shopify and offers door-to-door shipping and online design tools to make customization easy. Guten is perfect for apparel, wall art, home decor, drinkware, and accessories. If you're looking to expand beyond clothing, Guten has tons of unique product options. Applique specializes in custom streetwear and private label apparel and is great if you want embroidered designs, sewn-in labels, and high-end customization. Spread Connect focuses on fast fulfillment and simplified shipping. A solid option if speed is your top priority. T-Launch is known for unique product offerings. If you want to sell something different like headphones, engraved tumblers, or home goods, T-Launch is worth checking out. Custom Cat is one of the largest POD suppliers with a huge selection of products and solid customer support. T-Pop. If you're looking for eco-friendly, sustainable POD products, T-Pop is one of the best in the game. They also offer branding options to help you build a strong brand identity. Jet Print specializes in accessories like shoes, watches, and jewelry. Plus, they provide professional product photos so your listings look polished from day one. AOP, or all over print. If you want fully in-house printed designs, AOP is a strong choice. They handle everything from production to fulfillment themselves. Modelist is perfect for fashion and apparel brands. It offers fast shipping and unique products, making it a great fit if you're going for a more boutique style store. Lulu. If self-publishing books, journals, or planners is your thing, Lulu Express is the go-to platform for print-on-demand books and ebooks. And Gelato. Gelato is known for its global print-on-demand network with fast, eco-friendly fulfillment. Quick pro tip. Order a sample first. The best way to ensure your products look and feel as intended is to be your own customer and experience firsthand what it's like to receive your products. Don't skip this step. All right, the foundation has been laid. Now, what should you actually sell? At the beginning of this video, I promised you if you stayed till the end, I would drop the top 10 print-on-demand products to sell, and I never break a promise. So, here you go. According to data from recent Shopify blogs, these products are proven to sell with solid profit margins and high demand. Number 1, t-shirts are the best-selling POD product, period. Versatile, low cost, and perfect for niche designs. Think about viral social trends and popular memes. Remember when very demure, very mindful was a thing? Yeah, there were shirts for that. Number 2, hoodies and sweatshirts, a step up from tees, are also a high-ticket item with strong demand. Number 3, hats. From dad hats to beanies, hats are an underrated POD product. People love embroidered logos and minimalistic designs. Number 4, bags. Eco-friendly and functional totes are trending hard. Bonus, some suppliers offer all-over prints for even more customization. Number 5, phone cases. I'm so guilty for this one. I love switching up my case to match my fits. These are cheap to produce, easy to ship, and a great upsell item. Pop culture, aesthetics, or personalized name designs work best. Number 6, personalized jewelry. Jewelry isn't just stylish, it's super lightweight and easy to ship. Initials, coordinates, or pet portraits do really well. I can actually attest to this one. My best friend Shelly always gives me personalized jewelry for my birthday and Christmas every year. Number 7, posters and canvas prints. Wall art is high profit and low hassle. It's a great way to sell motivational quotes, abstract art, or niche-specific design. Number 8, mugs. While the profit per mug isn't huge, they sell in high volume. The best designs, funny sayings, pop culture references, and personalized names. Number 9, drinkware. Yes, think the Stanley tumbler phenomenon, but make it customized. Guten has some solid options for this one. And number 10, notebooks and stickers. Low cost, highly customizable, and easy to sell in bundles. Stickers work great for aesthetic designs, funny phrases, or niche hobbies. Quick tips for picking the right product. Align with your niche. What would your target audience actually buy? Unique designs win. Stand out by offering something different. Evergreen versus trending. Trending products can spike sales, but evergreen items like t-shirts and mugs sell year-round. All right, we've made it to the end of this video, but I want to leave you with one last bonus tip. Yes, the print-on-demand market is competitive. You can't just slap a design on a t-shirt and expect it to go viral. But don't worry, I've got a game-changing, niche-specific strategy that can help you stand out. Leverage AI image generation for hyper-personalized products. Imagine this, a customer uploads a photo of their pet, and within seconds, AI transforms it into a custom digital painting ready to print on a mug, t-shirt, or canvas. That's next level personalization. AI tools like DeepGram and AI Pet Photos create custom pet portraits in seconds, while Midjourney and Copilotly can generate unique, high-quality art in any style. Why does this work? Because people love products that feel unique to them. Whether it's custom art, a name engraving, or a personalized quote, adding that personal touch can set your store apart. Print on demand isn't just about selling stuff. It's about creating something people connect with. When you mix smart product choices, great designs, and the power of personalization, you're not just running a business, you're building a brand. Now it's your turn. What product are you thinking of launching first? Drop a comment below and let's talk. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe to Learn with Shopify for more tips and expert advice. I'm Kylie Marr, and I'll see you on the next one.